Hello, dear students and listeners. I'm an English teacher at Tashkent State Agrarian University Department of Foreign Languages. Now, I teach your water resources for the first course. And here is written water resources. Our theme today is water. Earth's surface is covered by water. Only less than 2.7% of global water is fresh water. Most of the fresh water are located in ice caps and glaciers. Only less than 0.7% is available for human use. Here is, you can see many terms. It is a red, fresh water, and glaciers. Siz bu yerda anglagan bo'lsangiz kerak, ikkita termin ishlatilgan suv mavzusiga oid. Bu fresh water va glacier so'zlari. Ya'ni fresh water bu yerda chuchuk suv ma'nosini, biz iste'mol qiladigan suv ma'nosini bildiradi. Glaciers esa bular muzliklar degan ma'noni anglatadi. Aziz talabalarim, yodlab qoling, esingizda qolsin. Bu so'zlar juda ham muhim. Now, 5 oceans. The Antarctic ice sheets containing 90% of all fresh water on the planet is visible at the bottom. Atmospheric water vapor can be seen as clouds, contributing to the Earth's albedo. You can see here also 3 terms: surface, sheet, and vapor. Bilishingiz kerak, bularni o'zbek tiliga tarjima qilib ketishimiz juda ham muhim. Surface bu yerning yuza qatlami hisoblanadi. Ice sheet esa muz qatlamlari. Water vapor bu suvlarning parlanishi yoki bug'lanishi deb olsak bo'ladi. Diqqat qilishingiz kerak. Bu so'zlar juda ham muhim, very important terms. Here are iceberg and polar cap sliders. Scarcity of fresh water. Scarcity, qadrli talabalar, siz bilishingiz kerak bu so'zni ham. Bu defitsit, yetishmovchilik degan ma'noni anglatadi. Ya'ni chuchuk suvlarning yetishmovchiligi. Matnda sizga anglatilib ketilyaptiki, aholining keskin ravishda o'sishi suvga bo'lgan ehtiyojni va aholi tomonidan iste'mol qilinishi suvga bo'lgan ehtiyojni juda ham oshiradi. Using water in the world. Dunyo miqyosida suvning ishlatilishiga ahamiyat beramiz. Domestic use, industrial use, and agricultural use. Competing water uses high income countries. High income countries bu yuqori rivojlangan mamlakatlar degan ma'no kelyapti. Unda domestic use bu ichki suvlarning ishlatilishi. The water, using water of domestic 11% here is described, and industrial use 59%, agricultural use is 30%. Then, competing water uses low and middle income countries. Bu yerda rivojlanishi past va o'rtacha bo'lgan mamlakatlarda suvlarning ishlatish diagrammasi keltirilgan. Xo'p, domestic use is 8%, industrial use 10%, and agricultural use 82%. In the world, in total, water using is domestic 8%, industrial use 22%, agricultural use 70%. Competing water uses in the world. So, problems related to water crisis, demak, muammolar, suvlarning yetishtirib berilishdagi muammolarni anglashimiz kerak. Inadequate access to safe drinking water by over 1.1 billion people. Demak, bu ichimlik suvi 1 milliondan oshiq insonlar tomonidan iste'mol qilinadi. Groundwater are drafting leading to diminishing agricultural yields. Hop, yer osti suvlari qishloq xo'jaligi uchun ishlatilishi keltirilgan. Our use and pollution of water resources, farming biodiversity. Suvlarning ifloslanishi aytib o'tilmoqda. Regional conflicts over scarce water resources sometimes resulting in warfares. Now, then text is a lexic text, water resources here. Red line is the terms we should use in our speech. Such kind of terms, for example, natural resources, water, agricultural, industrial, household, recreational, environmental, and groundwater. Look at it, please, here. Then, also, here 97% of water on the earth is salt water and only 3% is fresh water. Bu yerda yer yuzida faqatgina 3% suvlarning chuchuk suv ekanligi va qolgan suvlar 97% suvning esa sho'r suv ekanligi aytib o'tilmoqda. Glaciers are the major freshwater resource, while the most important resource for human use is a surface runoff found in lakes and rivers. Also, water is a renewable resource. The amount available for human use is affected by various threats. These include pollution, urban growth, landscape changes, drought, and climate change. Farming, deforestation, mining, and road building can all impair the quality of water by allowing too much soil and pollutant to enter local rivers, streams, and lakes. Demak, suvlarning inson tomonidan ishlatilishi va mana quyidagi sohalarga yo'nalishi aytib o'tilmoqda. Suvlar o'z ichiga ifloslanishi natijasida ham isrof bo'lishi mumkin. Shaharlarning o'sishi natijasida ham isrof bo'lishi mumkin. Iste'mol qilinishi mumkin. Aksincha, balkim ko'kalamzorlashtirish bo'yicha ham o'zgarishlar yuz beradi. Qurg'oqchiliklarda suvlar yetishmasligi mumkin. Iqlim o'zgarishlarida suvlar yetishmasligi mumkin. Biz bundan tashqari qishloq xo'jaligida, o'rmonlarni sug'orishda, konlarni va boshqa qurilishlarda ham suvlardan foydalanishga to'g'ri keladi. Many pollutants threaten water supplies, but the most widespread, especially in underdeveloped countries, is the discharge of raw sewage into natural waters. It's understandable, dear students. Sources of fresh water are surface water on the river flow, groundwater, frozen water, desalination. Fresh water is decreasing due of aqueous pollution and water protection. Do you understand the text, dear students? Here is water cycle and bilasiz bu water cycle suvning aylanishi demak. Suvning aylanishi natijasida rainfall, yomg'ir yog'ishi yuz beradi. Rainfall bu terminni siz juda yaxshi anglab olishingiz kerak. Va yer yuzida quruq yerlar ham mavjud. Bular arid quruq yerlar demakdir. Drought qurigan, ya'ni bular ham quruq yerlarni. Exercise 1 now. We will complete this sentence here as a test. Read the sentence pair. Choose where the word best fits the blanks. Ditch and groundwater. Ditch so'zini biz bildik, ariq degan ma'noni anglatadi va groundwater bu yer osti suvlari. Xo'p, qo'yishga, so'zlarni to'g'ri qo'yishga harakat qilamiz. Irrigates crop by digging a. Thank you students. We must here ditch. Demak biz bu yerga ditch so'zini ishlatamiz. Areas with a lot of groundwater are ideal for farming. Demak, qishloq xo'jaligi yer osti suvlari bilan sug'orilishi muhim hisoblanadi. The second sentence, shortage and rainfall. Shortage bu yetishmaslik, ya'ni defitsit, suvlarning defitsitligi. Rainfall esa yuqorida aytib o'tganimizdek yomg'irlarni yoki bo'lmasam jala holatlarini anglatadi. With so much rainfall, down didn't have to water your plants. Demak, ko'p suv yomg'ir yog'ganligi uchun down ekinlarini sug'orishi kerak emas. Many crops died due to the water shortage. Ya'ni ko'plab o'simliklar suvlarning yetishmasligi sababli nobud bo'ladilar. The third sentence, rain-fed and drought resistant. Bu yerda drought resistant so'zimiz qurg'oqchilikka qarshi degan ma'noni anglatib kelmoqda. Linda prefers drought resistant crops since she lives in an arid region. Linda qurg'oqchilikka chidamli o'simliklarni ekishni afzal ko'radi. Chunki u qurg'oqchilik bo'lgan hududda yashaydi. Andrew doesn't irrigate. His crops are rain-fed. Rain-fed so'zimiz lalmikor yerlar degan ma'noni anglatadi. Andrew o'zining ekinlari lalmikor bo'lgani uchun sug'ormaydi. Dear students, you have to learn by heart the 6 terms: ditch, groundwater, shortage, rainfall, rain-fed, and drought resistant. Next exercise. I told at the text water cycle. What does it mean? Demak, water cycle so'zining definitionini topamiz. Sing a little, please, students. Here, the pattern of water moving and changing form. Demak, suvning aylanishi bu suvning aylanish shakllarini anglatar ekan. The second, drought. Sing a little. Do you remember, students, the word? Demak, quruq degan so'z, buni yuqorida aytib o'tdik. Demak, noodatiy quruqlikning davri hisoblanadi. The third, receiving little rainfall. Demak, ozgina yomg'ir yog'gan joylar, yomg'irli bo'lgan hududlar. Irrigate. To guide water to plants. O'simliklarni sug'orish. And you should describe at home the water cycle. Okay, writing a short text using the slides, the water cycle. Thank you for the attention, for dear students. Bye. See you soon.